Assalamu alaikum and very fresh morning to all my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, data handling. In this chapter, we are going to represent the data in a tabular form using tally marks and represent the data using pictograph and bar graph and solve exercise 9.1. So let us represent the data in a tabular form using tally marks and solve exercise 9.1.
Students, we all know that the present day society is information oriented. In various fields, we need information in the form of numerical figures called data. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Every day we get information through newspaper, television, magazine, etc. For example, 3 people died in accident of 2 cars. Sachin made 190 runs in today's match, etc. Thus, the collection of facts which are expressed numerically with a specific purpose is called data. In simple terms, we can say that a collection of numbers that gives information is called data. Collection of data is the first step of any survey. Before gathering or collecting data, we need to know for what purpose or reason we have to use data. Some examples of collected data are as follows: performance of students in various subjects, the number of cars sold in a showroom, the rainfall in a city, monthly wages earned by workers in a factory, etc. We collect data to obtain information. For example, by collecting data of marks scored by students in various subjects, we can find out who scored maximum marks in each subject. When the data is large, a frequency distribution table is made with the help of tally marks. Each item is represented using a vertical line called tally mark, and every fifth observation of the item is represented by crossing the 4 lines diagonally. Example 1 implies 4 and example 2 implies 5. Students, you have to remember that for each item we make a vertical line called tally mark. For the fifth tally mark, we cross the previous 4 marks. So, students, we can say that data handling is the process of collecting data and presenting it using different types of graphs such as bar graph, line graph, pictograph, pie chart or circle graph, so that information can be compared and some conclusions can be drawn. So now let's represent the data in a tabular form using tally marks so that we get particular information from the data very quickly. Exercise 9.1. Question number 1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. 8, 1, 3, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 9, 5, 3, 7, 1, 6, 5, 2, 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 2, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6. Students, these are the marks obtained by 40 students. Students, in this question, it is given to you that arrange this marks in a table using tally marks. So students, you have to draw a table using tally marks, that is frequency distribution table. Students, in this table, you have to draw 3 columns. First, for observation, that is marks obtained. Second, for tally marks. And third, for total of tally marks, that is number of students. Students, you have to remember that you have to arrange the given marks in ascending or descending order, and you have to put tally marks in second column in front of marks obtained. So let's construct the table and arrange the marks in ascending order and solve question number 1. By arranging the data in the first column, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Students, you have to remember that you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 only one time. Students, look at the data very carefully. It is given to you 8. So in front of 8, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then it is given 1. So in front of 1, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 3. So in front of 3, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 7. So in front of 7, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 6. So in front of 6, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 5. 2 times. So in front of 5, in second column, you have to draw 2 tally marks. Then is given 4. 2 times. So in front of 4, you have to draw 2 tally marks in second column. Then is given 2. So in front of 2, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 4. So in front of 4, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 9. So in front of 9, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 5. So in front of 5, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 3. So in front of 3, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Then you have to draw a tally mark in second column in front of 7. Then you have to draw a tally mark in front of 1 in second column. Then you have to draw a tally mark in front of 6 in second column. Then is given 5. So in front of 5 in second column, you have to draw a tally mark by crossing the previous 4 tally marks. Students, likewise, you have to complete the second column. After completing the second column for each item, we have to complete the third column by counting total of tally marks in each item. By counting the tally marks, we would get 2, 3, 3, 7, 6, 7, 5, 40. Now, question number 2. Following is the choice of sweet of 30 students of class 6. A. Arrange the names of sweet in a tabular form using tally marks. B. This sweet is preferred by most of the students. Students, in this question also, you have to construct a frequency distribution table. In this table, you have to draw 3 columns. First for observation, that is sweet. Second for tally marks, and third for total of tally marks, that is number of students. It is given to you that arrange the name of sweet in a tabular form using tally marks. It means that you have to write the names of sweets given to you like laddu, barfi, jalebi and rasgulla only one time, and in front of each sweet in the second column you have to draw a tally mark. So let's solve question number 2. It is given to you laddu. So in front of laddu in the second column you have to draw a vertical line, that is tally mark. Then is given barfi. So in front of barfi in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then again is given laddu. So in front of laddu in the second column you have to draw again a tally mark. Then is given jalebi. So in front of jalebi in second column you have to put a tally mark. Then is given laddu. So in front of laddu in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given rasgulla. So in front of rasgulla in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given jalebi. So in front of jalebi in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given laddu. So in front of laddu in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given barfi. So in front of barfi in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given rasgulla. So in front of rasgulla in second column you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given laddu. So in front of laddu in the second column you have to draw a tally mark by crossing the 4 previous tally marks. As you know that for the 5th tally mark you have to cross the previous 4 marks. Then is given jalebi. 2 times. So in front of jalebi, you have to draw 2 tally marks. Then is given rasgulla. So in front of rasgulla, you have to draw a tally mark. Then is given laddu. So in front of laddu, in second column, you have to draw a tally mark. Likewise, students, you have to complete the second column for each item. For the third column, you have to count the tally marks for each and every item, and you have to write the answer in the third column. So students, count the tally marks for laddu properly and write the correct answer in the last column, that is number of students. Now, count the tally marks for Burfi and write the answer in the third column. Now, count the tally marks for Jalebi and write the answer in the third column. Now, count the tally marks for Rasgulla and write the answer in the third column. Students, now count 11, 3, 7 and 9 and find out the total. Students, note that total must be 30 as the number of students are 30.
Now, let us solve question B. Which sweet is preferred by most of the students? By looking at the frequency table, it is clear to us that laddu is preferred by most of the students, as laddu is preferred by 11 students, which is the highest value amongst the other values. Students, solve question number 3 by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.